Hi guys, this boy Bink. I'm back for another video. Today I will show you how to make icon or font bigger on iPhone 12. The first thing, go to setting. From settings, scroll down until you see display and brightness under the control center. From there, scroll down in the last button. You see the last option, display and zoom. View zoom it. You have in standard, you need to change it to zoom it. After you change it to zoom it, go in the top right set and you set your icon will be bigger. You see, when we go to any website or any browser and type everything, you see the font will be bigger. This video for today, I hope it helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.